Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways. I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway, and for the month of October it is In the Balm of Your Hands Greatest Hits Volume 2. We do have our 400 subscriber giveaway as well as a couple others. I will put links in the description box down below that take you to the different videos, talk about how to enter all of my giveaways. So Try Beauty Box ships out every other month. It's $34.99. I like that it's every other month. It really gives you a chance to really try out the different products. So let's dive in. I do have a code for you guys for 10% off your first box. I will put that in the description box down below as well. Just in time for Halloween, and I think you could use these anytime, is the VENUSGALE Cosmetics. They're Halloween special lashes. These retail for $14.99. I'm not big on using false lashes, so I'll probably put that in that. I've already started setting stuff aside for our 500 subscriber giveaway, so I'll probably throw these in there. Help us get to 500. By CAILYN Cosmetics is a cleansing pad. It cleanses, exfoliates, and massages. I love that it has this that you can kind of hold onto here for it. This retails for $8, and the CAILYN cleansing pad is flexible silicone pad that gently massages the skin for deep cleansing of your skin. Tiny coarse bristles sweep over the face for a deeper, more gentle exfoliate action to get rid of dirt and impurities. You use the coarse side here for T-zone and exfoliation of the coarse side, the fine side for more delicate areas of your skin. Love this. I think this is ingenious. So I'm a girl from the kind of Mediterranean and the Basque area of Spain. We can kind of have a little bit of facial hair going on. So this is the MO-STACHE 12 hyperallergenic waxing strips for the face. Retails for $6, and No More Mustaches, a portable lip wax that offers 12 single wax strips, double-sided, so you can use anywhere on your face. Hair removal strips for your face that are so easy and great for travel. How to use: rub the strips in your hand for 20 seconds to heat the wax. Pull strip apart and apply the skin. Rub strip on your face for 10 seconds. Hold your skin taut and pull in the opposite of hair growth. Apply aloe cream post wax. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this where you don't actually physically heat it up, just heat it up by rubbing your hand. Let me know if these work or what your guys' tips and tricks are. By Wander Beauty is their Lip Setter Dual Lipstick and Liners. Retails for $28. This one is in the shade on the mauve. It's a mauve pink. Here's what that looks like. So it's got the lipstick on one end and your liner on the other end. I love how ingenious this is. Great for just throwing in your purse or whatnot. And expertly curated and ultra hydrating dual-ended cream lipstick and lip liner designed to define, enhance, and shape for the perfect pout. It is the perfect pout on the go. Lip Setter, the dual-ended lipstick and liner, defines, enhances, and shapes all-day wear. The finely tipped, highly pigmented liner does not smudge, fade, or feather, and prolongs the wear of the lipstick. The ultra smooth cream lipstick delivers intensely saturated color with just one swipe. The slim bullet allows for easy and precise application on the go. Enriched with grapeseed extract, from Korea, coconut oil from the Philippines, jojoba seed oil from Spain, and acai extract from the United States for maximum hydration, tug-free application. I think I'm gonna throw this one in that giveaway too. So by Marabella is the Prime for the Face Makeup Primer. This retails for $28, and it's a new and improved formula plus bigger size, all for the same price. It's a weightless makeup primer that glides onto skin to promote long-wearing makeup. Vitamin E works with antioxidants to smooth out the appearance of fine lines and moisturizes and protects the skin. And then here's what the product looks like. Can't wait to use this. By Suva Beauty is their Saffron palette. Retails for $35. And it's a warm tone 9-shade eyeshadow palette with luxurious formulas reminiscent of the world's most desirable spices. Suva Beauty Saffron palette is buttery, light reflecting formulas alongside complementary bold and full saturated matte formulas. This palette is lightweight, includes a full-size mirror, is perfect for your makeup kit or travel, designed in gold foil packaging. This palette is for everyday glamour. Key features are Suva Beauty's signature butter formulation, Suva Beauty's highest grade of pigmentation available, and the built-in mirror. Here's what this looks like. It does have the mirror on this side. And look at those colors. Perfect for the fall. You have 4 mattes and 5 shimmers. I don't want to swatch this because I'm going to be putting this one in the giveaway for you guys as well. So the total of this box is $110. Pretty good. What did you guys think? If you guys get this one, did you get the saffron palette or did you get the other palette that I know you could have chosen from? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It's the only way to, know when I've got new videos coming up. It's the only way to be entered in all my giveaways. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.